5 green foods that lower blood sugar. Blood sugar levels are influenced by many factors, including the types and amounts of foods you eat. Some foods, especially those high in simple carbohydrates, can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, which can lead to health problems over time. However, other foods, especially those rich in fiber, antioxidants, and complex carbohydrates, can help regulate blood sugar and prevent or manage diabetes. In this article, we will explore 5 green foods that have been shown to lower blood sugar and explain how they work. The 5 green foods are broccoli and broccoli sprouts. These cruciferous vegetables contain a compound called sulforaphane, which has potent antidiabetic effects. Sulforaphane helps enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar and oxidative stress markers. Kale. This leafy green vegetable is high in fiber, which slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing blood sugar spikes. Kale also contains antioxidants, such as vitamin C and carotenoids, that protect the cells from damage caused by high blood sugar. Avocado. This fruit is high in healthy fats, which help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Avocado also contains fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin E, which are beneficial for blood sugar regulation. Pumpkin seeds. These seeds are rich in protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar and increase satiety. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium, zinc, and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are involved in glucose metabolism and insulin secretion. Okra. This vegetable is high in soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance in the gut and slows down the digestion of carbohydrates. Okra also contains antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, that modulate the activity of enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism.